To add a PayPal payment gateway in Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Settings section. From the Settings menu, select Payments to view the available payment options. Click on the Add Payment Method button and search for PayPal. Select the PayPal option and click on the Add PayPal button. You will be redirected to the PayPal website to authenticate your account. Enter your PayPal email address and password to log in. After authenticating your PayPal account, you will be redirected back to your Shopify store. In the PayPal payment method settings, select the PayPal payment method you want to use, such as PayPal Express or PayPal Payments Standard. To complete the setup, click on the Activate PayPal button. Your PayPal payment gateway is now successfully integrated with your Shopify store. To test the payment gateway, navigate to your store's checkout page and select PayPal as the payment method. Ensure that your PayPal account is verified and that you have the necessary permissions to receive payments. Also, be aware of the transaction fees associated with using PayPal as a payment gateway. By following these steps, you can easily add a PayPal payment gateway to your Shopify store and start accepting payments from customers. It is essential to note that the PayPal payment gateway setup may vary depending on your location and the type of PayPal account you have. Make sure to review the PayPal terms and conditions before integrating it with your Shopify store. By providing a secure and reliable payment option, you can enhance the shopping experience for your customers and increase sales. To summarize, adding a PayPal payment gateway in Shopify involves logging into your Shopify admin panel, navigating to the Payments section, and selecting the PayPal option. After authenticating your PayPal account, you can complete the setup and start accepting payments from customers. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate a PayPal payment gateway with your Shopify store.